And today I want to show you a really cool new tool we have called the Filter Expression Editor. And it's a super easy way to create session groups. So what you do is, if you're in your access list here, you just scroll down to the Create Session Group button at the bottom. And what this does is it basically has type ahead suggestions. It's going to check syntax for you and provide inline results. So for the purpose of this quick little demo, we'll just create a group for machines that haven't checked in 90 days. So offline for 90 plus days, name it. And then as we start typing, as you can see, it's already showing you some inline results there. But we could do guest connected, and then there you go, guest connected count, shows you at the very top of the list. And then it'll provide you with the proper syntax of what you can choose next. So I will choose less than, and then we can do 1. And then we will select and. Start typing again. So guest info update time would be a good one for this. And then we could do less than there. $sign, 90 days. There you go. Tap. And there you go. That is that session group. So you just come down here, create it. As you can see, it's already dropping machines into that bucket for us. So just a really, really powerful tool to just kind of help you set up your environment. So I hope this was helpful, and stay tuned. Please shoot me a like on this video and even subscribe to my channel, because I'll be posting tons of cool tips and tricks like this. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.